Tori don't war. Can you imagine? Police officers, you are even into drug distribution. You have cannabis stored in your vehicle that you are distributing. It's loud. This is one of the costliest
police officer
weed right now in the country. It's so expensive, 5,000 a wrap. That's what they sell. Look at the nylons. They are into selling. They sell because they have nylons. They have everything. They deal. Wow. Unbelievable. You see? Wait. You can't even keep your mouth shut. Now you are from fry pan to fire now.
You will open this one for us.
Yes,
who owns this one?
I think we are dollars here.
Keep on searching. It's okay now. We are on it. Yes. Who owns this one?
My own.
What's this?
Not drug.
Medicine.
Yes, not. If I show you the get it, I beg. Those people they come.
I beg me the
Who owns this one?
my own. That's the bit when I arrest.
Okay.
And you did not tender it in the station.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. It doesn't matter.
I'm a policeman. No matter for them.
No matter.
No, but it matter for anybody.
Open this one.
Please, we are looking into this matter critically. We are looking into this matter critically because we want to know the truth. Homeland does not oppress policemen. No. And we are working towards one goal. We are not police haters, we are family.
Don't worry. You need more to.
That's why they molest me.
I'm a policeman. No, we don't.
The drug agency will come.
Exactly what wait now. How they plan that like this now? We are not
they play me now.
Oh God, the drug agency will come.
You tell them they play me now.
You don't know see.
They make you come. They say they pay you. They pay you.
No, we are not human beings now.
And I be the thing now.
That was just said we not fit treat you like this.
Okay.
I want to ask him, how did you get this car?
It's my friend's car.
Your friend will get it.
Please, that your friend.
The owner of this car will come here.
We invite that your friend.
Yes, you should be invited.
Because of these exhibits.
The exhibit is great. That one when you inside that part.
Now you get that.
Who owns this ATM?
I don't know get the bag.
Today we have to see police.
I don't get
I know with that policeman when they do rubbish.
I tell you what I get.
Yeah, go stand for back. We get.
Paper.
You're the
Paper.
Oh where? He might be low where? Go go go. Yeah again.
Edo State must be free of crime.
That's so.
Say no to crime. The reason why the police and the homeland are working as a team is to make sure Edo State must be free.
Yes.
Must be peaceful. We are not against policemen. We are not enemy to the police. We are not fighting.
I cannot fight you. We don't come to the office to oppress
Fighting homeland not to do the work.
What they say, he said, why am I doing my job? That the job has been doing.
Okay.
That the police that is going to investigate.
The actions,
not me doing
the
that.
actions is small.
That the gun I see
that
recover
they
from
are
that
speaking
boy,
against homeland.
I should give it to him.
You can't just walk into someone and
wants
you are giving the person order.
Plastic, yeah, to a plastic.
in order for you to be able to release the boy.
Yeah, he said we can.
That was what